Now you are already equipped with the Series 64 and perfectly set up for the meta world. But now you want to additionally expand via EnOcean wireless. This is where our new EOA64 comes into play. It was specially developed for the Series 64. The adapter is easily plugged onto the existing Series 64 device. Then you can install it in the flush-mounted box and start with the configuration. For this, you will need the ELTAKO Connect app here. First of all, you have to select your Series 64 device here. If you go to Sensors under Configuration, tap the plus symbol in the next window. Now select your sensor. Here you can choose whether you want to learn via EnOcean Telegram, enter the EnOcean ID, or scan the QR code on the back of the switch. In our example, we learn the sensor via EnOcean Telegram learning. After you activate the sensor, your sensor will be listed, select it, and you can define the rocker ends according to your preference. In our example, we use the right side as a direction switch. The top left becomes a universal switch, the bottom left becomes the so-called matter switch. This means that this button is forwarded into the matter system. The Series 64 actuator then acts as a bridge here. Up to 30 buttons can be learned here. We are currently working on making window contacts, motion detectors, and temperature sensors learnable soon. Now, as you are used to from us, you can control everything easily via EnOcean wireless. And now I say goodbye. I wish you lots of fun in the Matter world. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time. Bye.